Hello everyone, I'm Manish Pandey and welcome back to the UiPath Agentic Automation video series. In the previous video, we created an IT support agent and connected it with Jira as a tool. And the agent was able to create a Jira ticket based on the user's issue. Now imagine, as an employee, I need help with resetting my password. So I asked the agent, help me reset my password. So what happens? The agent just creates a Jira ticket and then the ticket goes to the IT support team. After a few hours or maybe the next day, an IT support contacts me and says, please follow these steps to reset your password. That's it, right? And this is a very basic issue that the agent could have solved instantly without wasting time or like creating a Jira ticket. Means it's creating a Jira ticket is unnecessary steps, I think. And this is where context comes in. I hope you know about the context. If still not aware, I recommend you to watch my previous video, which covers all the basic things. Context means giving your agent some background information or some reference material so that agent can give better answer by looking into that document, by looking into that context. In UiPath, we can add such references information using index in the orchestrator. Like if you talk about IT support, so like IT policy, troubleshooting guide, password reset documents. So we can connect our agent with the context and then give the access to the documents. Got it. Now let's say we have this IT support agent. Now, if we give the agent access to the company's IT policy or the troubleshooting guide, then the agent can directly look into those documents and reply with the correct steps. Got it? So without context, we can say agent only creates a Jira tickets. And with the context, now agent looks into the documents and it can provide a ready-made solution. Now let's go back to the same IT support agent that we created. And now you see under this definition, we have one option that's very important is a context. Now we need to add a context. And for that, we should have these two documents ready like IT policy and the troubleshooting guide or anyone like troubleshooting guide is also okay. Let me show you. For now, I have prepared this a sample IT troubleshooting guide. For the password reset, it will follow these steps. For VPN not connecting, it has these details. For email not working, restart this. For system slow, then follow this. For IT policy, we have some basic sample documents, company IT policies, where the password policy, email usage, VPN and remote access, and device security. These are the things we have. Now, if users are creating a request, sending an email, they're asking for any type of help which is written already in these documents, the agent can easily reply with those steps. Now, I will add the context here. Click on add context. Add content you want the agent to use as a reference. Okay. So I want these two documents to upload here so that agent can use this as a reference. Okay. Now we need to create new context. Currently it's not there. If you already have, you can take it, select that from here. But now I want to create new because this is completely fresh. Once you click on create new, it will redirect to the UiPath orchestrator to the index here. You can also directly reach to this by going to this UiPath orchestrator. Then this is not available in this my workspace. For that, you have to go to any shared folder and there you can create an index. Got it? And click on add index and here you can add that. Now I will take this index name as a IT support documents. Right side, we have basic and advanced. Currently, advanced is disabled for us. We have basics, means based for document with only text and free of charge. This is free of charge. Here, if you use this, this is cross-platform units. So this is we should have the license, basically the units available. Now you see data settings. We have data source. There are two data source: storage buckets or connector. Means the data can be the reference can be from the connectors or the storage buckets. If you select connector, then we need to choose any orchestrator folder and then select the connectors like Dropbox, OneDrive, SharePoint, Cloud, or Google Drive, right? So it can, if you give the Google Drive access, and then refer in this system prompt, then it can easily connect with this Google Drive or this Dropbox or Cloud or OneDrive or SharePoint, and then it can look into those documents. I will go with storage buckets. Select this folder, and then here we have option storage buckets, means we need to add a new storage bucket. Let me go to this storage bucket. Do we have this? No, we don't have any storage buckets. We need to create that. Oh, my mistake. I need to IT support docs. Now we'll select the storage buckets because I don't have the storage buckets added here. I'll select this, or I can take this one based on the projects. Let's take this and click add new storage buckets. Okay, now it redirects to this storage buckets page where already it has selected add bucket option. Now there, you know that there are three options to create a bucket. I'll go with UiPath. Okay, then we need to enter the name. So I will say this storage bucket is for IT support agent documents. I will say this. We'll click add. Right now we have created storage buckets, and then I will upload those files here. Or currently, if you don't want to upload here, we need to just go back to the index here. Okay, now let's see. Let's refresh that. Okay, now you see storage buckets, this drop down option is there because now we have created, and this is already synced here. File type, will select PDF because I am going to upload PDF file. Now do we have any subfolders also in this storage buckets? If it is there, then we need to select that. So I don't have any in subfolders. I need to directly upload that to the storage buckets. Right side you see file upload. So click on add files. We need to upload the files. Select that, and I need to upload these two documents, IT policy and troubleshooting guide. I will upload both. So based on the user query, it can look into those documents and reply. Now click save. You see these two uploaded. Save it. Now you see here the ingestion status is queued. For now it's queued. After that it will be changed. So this index has been created. Just after a few seconds, refresh it, and automatically it will be like marked as a completed or successful like that. Let's wait for that. And meanwhile, you see here we have this currently using 1 out of 10 indexes. So this is the quota usage. 10% we have already used, 9 index remaining. So you can add 10 indexes here. This is the first one that we created. Now let's refresh it. Okay, now this is successful. Got it? Now let's go back to the our agent. Okay, so let's click on add context again. So we have created here. Let's select that created IT support docs as a context. Now currently there is no warning or there is no error here. But right side you can see something here. We have context name, the reference, search strategy. So we have a semantic and a structured. I will go with semantic. You remember I gave you an example where the laptop is equal to portable computer. You see option relevance score threshold, maximum result generated. So what I'll do for this one, we can increase, we can take it 0.5. This is for search criteria within your documents. Maximum results generated, you can say maximum, we can say if you have 10 maximum, we can take it in between 5. Do we have any folder that you want this agent to look into this? No, I don't have any subfolders. I'll just go as it is. From this file extensions, so instead of finding this in all these extensions, I directly am specifying that agents should only look into this PDF document. Got it. So we are done with this context. So without context, we can say agent only creates tickets, and with the context, now agent look into the documents and provide the ready-made solutions. Got it? Now what will happen if I'll just run that? I'm not modifying the system prompts and user prompts. Let's debug that and let's see what is going to happen. So that this was the previous prompt. My Teams is not working. Instead, I will say help me reset my password. And let's see, without updating this system prompt or user prompts, is agent going to look into that documents or not, look into that context or not? Let's try. Okay, you see, instead of looking into the document as a context, it is just going to create an issue with the help of tools. Means there is no use of context for the agent for now, because we are not telling that system prompt, we are not telling the agent that we have given some more power to you. You have this power to look into this document, but you actually don't know about that, this power, that you have this power, you can do these things. So I have to tell to the agent that now you have this power as well. For that I have to update this prompt, the system prompt. Okay, so let's do it. To update the system prompt, you know that we already have a UiPath autopilot here. I will just say, so I want to say like, I'm just giving this document, these documents. So I want to like redesign this agent so that like agent can only create a Jira ticket if the issue resolution is not given these documents or is not able to resolve that issue. Now I will send this message to autopilot. Okay, now I will click on this review all suggestions, and this part changed, so I will accept it, accept this. Okay, got it. Now let's see, the system prompt and user prompt is changed here. You are an IT support agent with expertise in handling various IT issues. Your responsibility include listening attentively to users' IT problems, searching for this document. See, now we are referring this, searching for the IT policy PDF and troubleshooting guide, documents for relevant solutions, providing the solution directly from these documents when possible, and creating Jira tickets only when necessary. Now, see, when dealing with an issue, gather all the information from the users. Search the IT policy troubleshooting guide documents for a solution. If solution is found, and provide the solution to users. Mention which document the solution came from and do not create a errors. Now, I don't want to mention that from which documents the solution come. If no solution is found or the issue cannot be resolved using the documents, create a Jira ticket with the following details. Okay. Documentation, that the document consulted, priority based levels and these things. Now always maintain a professional and empathetic tone. If you need more information, okay, so this is updated. Now remember, only create a Jira ticket if the issue cannot be resolved using the IT policy or troubleshooting guide documents. Got it. Now in the user prompts, this is the request, this is the user issue. Search the IT policy. If solution is found, provide a user mentioning the source document. No, I don't want to mention this. If no solution is found or the issue cannot be resolved, create a Jira ticket, return the ticket number. Now respond in the following format, the resolved solution. If not resolved, then this will be Jira ticket and then ticket number. Got it. So we have updated our system prompts and user prompts. And now I will do one more thing, because as you have seen the IT policy and then troubleshooting guide, it has the steps written in just few lines, like in the steps. So what I'll do, I'll go to this settings, the property panel, and I will change this temperature from precise to creative. I want my agent to more creative. So I will say zero point 0.5 at least. One more thing here. You see available units, it's 242, means today I have used only 8 units here. So every day it gets refreshed. Now I'll click on debug and let's see how it is working. So here I'm saying help me reset my password, save and debug. Got it. Now you see here agent IT support docs. Here is going to access the IT support docs. And right side you see input is this, help me reset my password. And the ticket number is NA, means it has not created a ticket number because now it is able to give the solution. You see response given you the steps to reset the password. I will try one more time. Let's say my Outlook is crashed, not opening. Got it? So this is the user issue and save debug. You see now it's going to look into this IT support docs as a context, this one, and then it seems like it was not able to find the details. That's why it has created UP9 says that no direction solution was found in this document. That's why the issue has been escalated. Got it? So you understood here two examples. First, when we are asking any questions and the solution is already there in the documents, then it's just giving this response, the solutions that okay, follow these steps to do this. But if solution for that issue is not available in the documents, it has created a Jira ticket. Got it? You see, it is looking into this first context and then creating this issue as well. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.